Assalamu alaikum students. Now open your book page 35. Forms. Forms are used to check each record of a given table one by one. कि आप अगर किसी भी टेबल के रिकॉर्ड को वन बाय वन चेक करना चाह रहे हो तो आप क्या यूज़ करोगे? आप फॉर्म्स को यूज़ करोगे. There are 4 different methods to create form. These are use of form command in the ribbon, use of split form, use of form wizard, use of data sheet. Use of form command. Now let's see first use of form command through practical. Open your book in front of you and do your practical. Use of form command. Select a table for which you want to create form. Click create tab. Now from the forms group, click form command. On doing so, the table will give forms. The number of forms will be the number of rows in a table. Like आपका ये जो टेबल था ओरिजिनल, इसमें कितनी रोज़ हैं? 6 रोज़ हैं. तो आपके पास कितने फॉर्म क्रिएट होंगे? तो आपके पास 6 ही फॉर्म्स क्रिएट होंगे. दिस वन इज़ योर फर्स्ट record. If you want to go to the next record, click here. 2 of 6, third, next, next and next. If you want to go to the previous, click here. Use of split form. Open your table, click create tab. Now from the forms group, click split form. MS Access create the form in the upper half of the window and data sheet view in the bottom half. कि आपकी विंडो को स्प्लिट कर दिया गया, आपकी विंडो स्प्लिट हो गई है. जो स्टार्टिंग में है ऊपर वाली जगह पे अपर हाफ पे आपका फॉर्म है और बॉटम हाफ पे आपका डाटा शीट व्यू है. इसको हम बोलते हैं स्प्लिट फॉर्म. यूज़ ऑफ फॉर्म विज़ार्ड. यूज़ ऑफ फॉर्म विज़ार्ड. ओपन योर टेबल, क्लिक क्रिएट टैब. नाउ फ्रॉम द फॉर्म्स ग्रुप, क्लिक मोर फॉर्म, चूज फॉर्म विज़ार्ड. And now select your field and click next. Choose your layout here. You can choose any of the layout. Now click next. Next. Type your table title here, form title here and click finish. Reports. Reports are the ways to produce the data stored in database and tables in printed form. कि अगर आप अपने tables को या database को printed form में लेके आना चाह रहे हो, so you can use reports. There are 2 methods available. First one is use of report command. Next is use of report wizard. Use of report command. Open your table, click create tab. Now from the reports group, click report. On doing so, 3 tabs are appear: format, arrange and page setup. In format tab, you can change your report view and you can also change your text color and also apply grid lines. In page setup, you can set your page orientation like portrait or landscape. You can also set your page margin. If you want to see your print preview, click here. This one is your print preview. Use of report wizard. Open your table, click create tab. Now from the reports group, click report wizard. Report wizard dialog box will appear. Choose your field you want to select. Now click next. Next. Set your ascending or descending order if you want. Like otherwise click Next, choose your layout and orientation here and click next. Next, now put your report title here and click finish. Okay students, do practice for your practical. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.